Hi traders, this is Mario from Forex Other Way, the Traders channel. In today's video I'll show you the different approach to Fibonacci levels and its settings. But before I do it, if you are interested in Forex market trading, please press the subscribe button in order to not miss any of my videos in the future. So let's start the rock and roll. If you don't know how to determine Fibonacci levels, I'll show you right now. It'll take just only a few seconds. So you have to press over here. There's an F letter, some horizontal lines. You press it here. Just click the left mouse, drag the level, and here we go. And you got the level determined. I have some other settings. In order to return to default settings, double click here. Properties, clicking with the right mouse, Fiba properties, and set it to defaults. And here we go. We got all the Fibonacci levels. As you see, some prices reached the Fibo level, some of them didn't. They overshot it. Whatever. I will show you in this video different settings based on WD Gann approach. By the way, do you use Fibonacci levels default as these ones, or you use your own settings? Please let me know. I would like to know. Just leave a comment down below. Okay, so let's go. So I'll show you how to add another level. Let's say we are here, we got 61 here, we got 50, we got 38, 23% of this whole move from here to here. So this is the percentage of corrections. So if the market hit here, we're looking for corrections. That's what we do. Usually, let's try this one. What's gonna happen if we put 80% here? For example, we got 61.8 here. So I'll show you how to do it. So again, click right mouse, Fiba properties, add the level. What level are we supposed to add? As you see, it should be something less than 0 because 4.236 means 423.6%. So in order to get 80%, we have to put 80 over here. 0.8 exactly, and as the description we write it 80%. We press OK once, OK the other time, and here are we. So we got another level, 80%. That's the way we do it. What's gonna happen if we put the settings which WD Gann used in his trading? Well, if you haven't heard yet about WD Gann, I recommend you to view my previous videos on this subject. You'll find the link right below in the description of this video. So, WD Gann considered quite a few important numbers to be taken into account. The numbers are like 0.577, for example, which is tangents of 30, or 0.7071, which is sinus and cosinus of 45 degrees. You remember Gann's angles, the indicator you can find just over here. You can find it here, it's somewhere here. Gann, you got Gann line, Gann fan, Gann grid. Gann fan is just the Gann angles. So those the Fibonacci numbers. So tangent 30, tangent 60 degree, sinus and cosinus of 45 degree, which is a square root of 2 divided by 2. And the other numbers. Gann also used square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, of 11, 22, square root of 30, whatever. I already prepared some different settings for Fibonacci levels, which you've got here. So we are here from 0 to 100, and we got here square root of 2, this line, as you can see, square root of 3, and square root of 5. So you do it in the same way. You simply get here and go to Fiba properties. You got 0 and 1, the levels, which is 0 is here, 1 is here. That's 100%, as you can see. And after that, you add 1.4142, which is square root of 2, 1.732, which is square root of 3, 2.236, which is square root of 5, and so on. This is similar to one of the Gann's level, as you might realize. So we click OK, we got the levels, and you can go with those square roots up to infinity. Pretty often you put the square root of 25 over here, you wouldn't see it, never at this time frame. But when you go to the lower one and you make sign like that, and after setting square root of 25, you go to the higher time frames, you will see the difference. You will see it works. So I got over here, I've got another square root inserted as the settings to the Fibonacci levels. And as you can see, here we got 0, we got 100, so we start at the reference points here, and after we got those square roots. As you can see, some of them determine the turning points, so you can try to experiment it with this. Well, what about the next? So don't go yet, I didn't finish it, because now I will show you the real magic of settings, the levels based on Nikola Tesla concept of perpetual vibration of the universe. Nikola Tesla said if you knew the magnificence of the 3, 6 and 9, you'd have a key to the universe. Tesla considered 3, 6 and 9 divine numbers ruling the vibrations of the universe. If you'd like to know more about Nikola Tesla and his theory, there are plenty of YouTube videos and you can easily find them here. Our main topic is Fibonacci and W.D. Gann. The most important thing to remember is that Nikola Tesla considered those three numbers, 3, 6 and 9, as the source of values that govern the entire universe. So let's try the Tesla numbers and introduce them to Fibonacci levels. I put them there already, so here we are. That's how it looks like. I put 3, 6, 9, which corresponds to 300%, 600% and 900% of the move. I put as well over here 0.33 and 0.36. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh, come on, babe. Here we go. So we got 0 and 100, which corresponds to the move I marked. Then we got 0.33, 0.66, 3, 6, and 9. What I realized during my studies, that when you try, as you can see over here, I'll show you, when you put that level 0 and 1 as the first move of the market in the opposite direction, like here we got 0 and here we got 1, this first impulse of the market, first leg we might say. This is monthly. The market went up, made a correction over here, and started the rally. So as you realize, at the level of 3, which is this line, the market stopped look here, the market stopped here. Don't forget that the date here is 1984 or 85, the first move. So the market stopped at the level of 300%. So the market tripled that value here. Then, after a couple of months, started rally again and arrived at the level of 6 times this value, here marked as 0,100. And after that started the rally, and at the end of the day it arrived at the level 900. So the value here was 900 bigger than the first impulse over here. As you can see further, those lines are pretty important. When you see on the lower time frames, the price very often plays around at the daily or H4 charts. We see it as the area of consolidation pretty often. You can see those levels sometimes are respected pretty often, like here or here, or for example here in the last days. So what do you think about it? Does it make sense or not? Does it worth experimenting with Fibonacci levels? In order to get better trading results, I recommend you to experiment with the settings, because the sooner or later you will see that magic that will appear just after changing the point of view. Think out of box and you will do it. Please leave a comment in the section below, and if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to not miss any next video about WD Gann trading techniques. I will see you next time, traveler. Green peeps to you.